Waziri wa mang'ana chise chase Musalia Mudavadi nigaruro kubolia no kubwaterana kubwasyo kwase chobisi au cheserikali eriko ni Chiira chonsi cheserikali ya Kenya kwaza Goikerania chiribo sibu mwaka w'echile 2025 na ibere Mudavadi ka kwana EGEIKARO gya kabere gya National Development Implementation Committee NDIC kyo mwaka w'echile 2025 nigatebiruna emetienye tigarete ne yengencho yokwenekia obokoreri obuya ase serikali wetera so kubwaterana kwa barai.
We are now 20 months away from the August 2027 general election. This remaining period represents the most critical phase for the administration to deliver on the promises made to the Kenyan people under the Better Plan. Kenyans' expectations are higher now more than ever. As leaders, we don't have the luxury of time. In 3 months' time, we will enter the penultimate stage of the administration's first term, which calls for greater urgency in service delivery. Amidst all these pressures, we are alive to the headwinds from the global economy, waning development assistance, mainly concessional resources, geopolitical changes, and uncertainties arising from the ongoing trade wars. As a result, we must become intentional in our external engagements and push for expanded trade and investment opportunities and innovation-led development. Internally, MDAs must intensify their focus, accelerate implementation, and ensure that each program produces visible, measurable results that touch households, communities, and the economy at large. In education, there have been interventions that have produced remarkable results. The school feeding program, for example, has been a game changer. In 2022, there were 2.2 million learners in our schools, but with the introduction of this program, the number of learners in schools rose to 2.6 million in 2025. Furthermore, we have constructed 23,000 new classrooms and employed over 76,000 teachers.